Oasis Ice Peak, a leading manufacturer of closed-circuit cooling towers, established in 2003. We are a source factory integrating research, production, sales, and service for closed-circuit cooling towers. Our facility covers 26,666 square meters. We can produce closed-circuit cooling equipment in various specifications and models. To date, we hold 23 patented technologies and have 22 years of production experience. We have been honored with titles including High-Tech Enterprise, Hebei Specialized, Refined, Unique, and Innovative Enterprise, Cooling Tower Technology Innovation Center, Hebei Quality Brand, Hebei Famous Brand, and Hebei Innovative Enterprise. Our products are sold widely across many provinces and regions in China. They are also exported to the United States, Japan, Algeria, Pakistan, Kazakhstan, India, Vietnam, Indonesia, the Way, and other countries and regions. We enjoy a good reputation in the industry. In 2003, we fully launched an intelligent production system and an after-sales service system. The QR code operation system ensures an exceptionally high product qualification rate. It also greatly improves work efficiency and quality. The remote monitoring system can promptly identify equipment issues and resolve them immediately. This saves significant maintenance costs for customers and enhances their production efficiency.